Hello folks, Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the Klock Werks Flare Windshield for the Polaris Slingshot. Now, Klock Werks has been designing custom windshields and bikes for over 20 years now. And actually, their flared windshields have revolutionized the air management industry. Their original flare design was actually created for the Bonneville Salt Flats as an integral component to help set land speed records. Now, you're probably not going to set any land speed records in your Slingshot, but this patented flare design is perfect for the Slingshot platform. This unique flare design pushes the wind up and over your head and lets in clean, less turbulent air to lessen buffeting and reduce wind noise in the cabin. So, because of the patented flare design, they were able to make the shield short enough for most drivers to look over it rather than through it. And each shield is made in the USA from clear or tinted, hard-coated polycarbonate for scratch resistance, strength, and durability. Now, these Klock Werks windshields all utilize the factory mounting points for installation and are also compatible with the center windshield post. So start by first opening your hood and removing your existing windshield by unscrewing these two mounting screws in the lower left and right hand side corners. And depending on which windshield you currently have, this center one as well. Just go ahead and put that aside for now since you won't be reusing it. Now just lift your current shield up and off and install the new Klock Werks shield in its place. Then reinstall your stock mounting screws in the lower left and right side corners, and then you're all set to go. So once installed, you'll be able to enjoy less turbulent air, the open road, your favorite tunes, or even a nice conversation with your passenger at highway speeds. Now, if this windshield seems right for you, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today by clicking the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.